Hello everyone, my resources classes. So in this video again we've come up with a question from the HSEE 2019 paper. So the question that we have is from the quantity active section and the question number 58. So we'll try and solve this thing. Let's take a look. The total number of squares in an 8 into 8 chessboard is, so we need to find out the total number of squares. So if we talk about basically an 8 into 8 chessboard, so what we have here is that suppose this is my board. Yeah, so say this is my chessboard. Okay, so here you see there are multiple squares, so we need to find out the total number of squares that we actually see in a chessboard. So here if we see, we have total, first of all we know there are 8 into 8 form. Okay, it's a square chessboard. So in a chessboard we know there are total 1 into 1, so each dimension 1, there are total 1 into 1 squares are total 64, that is 8 into 18 number. Okay, 64. If we go 2 into 2 squares, then this will be 7 square or 49. Okay, 3 into 3 squares, if we talk about the same, this would be 6 square or 36. 4 into 4 square would be 5 square or 25 such squares. 5 into 5 square would be 4 square or 16. 6 into 6 this would be 3 square, total 9 such squares. 7 into 7 would simply be 2 square. 4, and lastly 8 into 8, we have only one such squares. Okay, so our result would simply be adding all these things up. If we add 64 plus 49 plus 36 plus 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, that is 204. So this can also be done by using the sum of squares of the consecutive numbers formula, that is n into n plus 1 by twice n plus 1 by 6. So simple, we have n equal to 8 because we have 8 terms. So 8 into 9 into 17 by 6, that is 4, or equal to 200 and this will be 204. Okay, so 204 will be our answer. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. So with that said, we'll come to the end of the video. We'll continue our discussion on the similar sort of questions in the subsequent videos. So until then, I will be signing out. So thank you so much.